Welcome to our comparison video where we dive deep into two popular kitchen appliances, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 and the Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker. In this video, we will explore their features, usability, and performance to help you decide which one is the best fit for your cooking needs. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 offers a wide range of cooking options, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, warming, and sterilizing. It comes with an app featuring over 800 recipes to inspire your cooking. On the other hand, the Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker specializes in yogurt production, allowing you to make larger batches with adjustable time and temperature controls for optimal probiotic growth. This focus on yogurt making makes it ideal for health enthusiasts looking to maximize their probiotic intake. The Instant Pot Duo features a user-friendly control panel with one-touch cooking programs, making it easy for anyone to operate. Its stainless steel design is not only stylish but also practical for everyday use. Conversely, the Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker is designed for simplicity, with clear instructions and an intuitive setup that allows even beginners to create delicious yogurt without hassle. Both appliances are designed to enhance your cooking experience, but they cater to different culinary needs. The Instant Pot Duo is priced at $109, reflecting its multifunctionality and versatility in the kitchen. While it offers a wide array of cooking options, it may be considered a higher investment for some. In contrast, the Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker is available for $79, making it a more budget-friendly option for those specifically interested in yogurt production. This price difference highlights the varying focuses of each product and their respective target audiences. In conclusion, both the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 and the Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker have their unique strengths. The Instant Pot is perfect for those looking for a versatile kitchen appliance, while the Yogurt Maker is ideal for health enthusiasts focused on probiotics. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful product comparisons.